Hey everybody, what's up? Marc Supsic here. Have you ever had the opportunity to taste volcanic soil wines? This latest weekly tasting pack is all about the wines of Sicily, and I call it Taste the Volcano. Now there's an added intrigue to the wines of Sicily because this island is still an active volcano. And for those of you who've been with me for prior videos, we talked about how the soil affects the way grapes grow and the way wines taste. So this is your opportunity to really try something different and special. The pack includes 3 high-end Sicilian wines from Baglio di Pianeto. You'll get to taste 3 lesser-known grapes from the south of Italy. And on top of that, the wines are organically made. And as with all weekly tastings, you're going to get my personal tasting notes for each of these wines. I'll give you some food pairing suggestions and recipes, and you'll get a full-length tasting video along with me. For this price, this weekly tasting is a great value. You really get a lot in this pack. I hope you take the opportunity to check out this weekly tasting that I just put together, and I'll see you there. Cheers.